how to use match function in Excel. With match function, we can retrieve the position of a particular value in an array. Let's see how we can do it. So let's say I want to retrieve the position of this value. I'm entering that same value here, and now match. This is the formula for match function, and this is the lookup value and lookup array. This is going to be the lookup array, and make sure you have to select only one vertical column. If you select multiple data, so it won't work. Okay, so make sure you select only single column of data, and the match type, which is exact match, I'm looking for. There you go. Right, fine. Now let's try it with different columns, okay, in the same row. So I can take this particular column number and entering here, and I'll type match, and the lookup value is going to be this one, and the lookup array must be this one, and the exact match is supposed to be 0. You see, the company name is in the second column, right, and this value is in 6th row. And now I can use index function to retrieve that value. Let's say combined value will be index, the array will be this entire data, and the row number will be this one, and the column number will be this one, and that's it. This is how it works, right? That's all about match function along with index. Thanks for watching.